Welcome to this class on the endocrine system. Today, we'll be breaking down complex concepts into easily understandable components to help you grasp the essential aspects of the endocrine system. The endocrine system is one of the body's primary regulatory systems. Unlike the nervous system, which uses electrical signals, the endocrine system relies on chemical messengers called hormones. These hormones are produced by glands and released into the bloodstream, where they travel to target organs or tissues and exert their effects. This system controls a variety of bodily functions, including metabolism, growth, development, reproduction, and even mood. Overview of major endocrine glands and their hormones. The human body contains several key endocrine glands, each responsible for producing specific hormones. Let's go through them one by one. 1. The pituitary gland, the master gland. The pituitary gland is often referred to as the master gland because it controls the function of most other endocrine glands. It's a small, pea-sized gland located at the base of the brain, just beneath the hypothalamus. Anterior pituitary. This part of the pituitary gland releases several important hormones. Growth hormone, GH, stimulates growth of bones and muscles. Adrenocorticotropic hormone, ACTH, stimulates the adrenal glands to produce cortisol, a hormone involved in stress response. Thyroid-stimulating hormone, TSH, encourages the thyroid gland to produce thyroid hormones. Follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH, and luteinizing hormone, LH. These hormones regulate the reproductive processes, including the menstrual cycle in females and sperm production in males. Prolactin, PRL, promotes milk production in breastfeeding women. Posterior pituitary. This part doesn't produce hormones itself, but stores and releases hormones produced by the hypothalamus. Oxytocin plays a key role in childbirth and lactation, and also influences social bonding. Antidiuretic hormone, ADH, helps regulate the body's water balance by controlling the amount of water the kidneys reabsorb. 2. The thyroid gland, regulator of metabolism. The thyroid gland is located in the neck, just below the Adam's apple. It produces hormones that regulate metabolism, which is the rate at which your body converts food into energy. Thyroxine, T4, and triiodothyronine, T3. These hormones increase the metabolic rate of almost every cell in the body. They play a critical role in regulating weight, energy levels, and even body temperature. Calcitonin. This hormone helps regulate calcium levels in the blood by lowering it when it's too high, although its effect is relatively minor compared to parathyroid hormone. 3. The parathyroid glands, calcium controllers. Attached to the back of the thyroid gland are 4 tiny glands known as the parathyroid glands. Despite their small size, they have a significant role in maintaining the body's calcium levels. Parathyroid hormone, PTH, increases blood calcium levels by stimulating bone breakdown, increasing calcium absorption in the intestines, and reducing calcium loss in urine. Calcium is vital for many body functions, including muscle contraction and nerve signaling. 4. The adrenal glands, stress and energy management. Perched on top of each kidney, the adrenal glands are divided into 2 regions, the cortex and the medulla, each producing different hormones. Adrenal cortex. Cortisol. Often called the stress hormone, cortisol helps the body respond to stress, regulate metabolism, and reduce inflammation. Aldosterone. Regulates blood pressure by controlling sodium and potassium levels in the blood. Androgens. These are male sex hormones that are produced in small amounts by the adrenal cortex in both men and women. Adrenal medulla. Adrenaline, epinephrine, and noradrenaline, norepinephrine. These hormones prepare the body for fight or flight responses during stressful situations. They increase heart rate, blood pressure, and blood flow to muscles. 5. The pancreas, dual role in digestion and blood sugar regulation. The pancreas has both endocrine and exocrine functions, but today we'll focus on its role in the endocrine system. Insulin lowers blood sugar levels by facilitating the uptake of glucose into cells. Glucagon raises blood sugar levels by stimulating the liver to release stored glucose. The balance between insulin and glucagon is essential for maintaining stable blood sugar levels, which is particularly important for energy production and overall health. 6. The gonads, reproductive hormones. The gonads, which are the ovaries in females and the testes in males, are responsible for producing sex hormones that are essential for reproduction and secondary sexual characteristics. Ovaries. Estrogen regulates the menstrual cycle and is responsible for the development of female secondary sexual characteristics.